Hi, this is Rob, owner and editor of robsnet.com. I'm going to give you 3 camera mounting tips. 1, use the RAM mount system. It's inexpensive and very versatile. 2, use Velcro to adhere your lens cap to the side of the camera. And 3, use 1/4 inch thick, roughly, filter material, something like a foam that's not too dense. Just a little crazy glue it into place, and you'll see that it really takes the wind buffeting off the mic. You'll see the camera is mounted here, showing one of the RAM mounts. This is a demo of the noise produced without a filter. This is a demo of the noise reduced by the filter. You'll see it's greatly reduced. These tips should help you produce a higher quality ride video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please share this URL, robsnet.com, with your iBuddies. Thanks for watching.